crew. Philly B is on vacation. We got some major sends to take care of today with my buddy Aldo. Thanks for having me out. Stick around. All right, let's try first jump. Not bad, not bad. Let's get warmed up. This is what it's like to bash at Aldo's place. This is freaking cool. Okay, yeah, it is pretty windy. Guys, I thought I'd give it a whirl because Aldo does run stock trucks out here. So my old girl, my V4, both on our backs, and I put this on the plane. I brought it without batteries, without wheels, so Aldo hooked me up with some copperheads. I'm just hoping for minimal brakes, so I got some parts also. And the mesh is sounding a little tight, not gonna lie to you.
Come on through.
Yeah? Coming through the meat pit. Yes. Oh! Aldo's rocking the brand new EXB today. It's freaking beautiful. We good? Yeah! Here comes the man. Wanting it. Woo! Do I? Aldo says I got something hanging out. Oh, battery connector. Okay. Hey, you saw all my jumps. I'm still together, man. Killer. I'm not gonna pin that while you're up there. Nice.
All right, hit it. I'll stand right here and watch. Look, I trust you.
Yeah?
Yeah, I got my helmet on, man.
All right, dude. I'll do my best. Ah, was I in a wheelie before I got up?
That was a good one.
Ah, she hooks up well. Okay, opposite direction. Bit of a bounce. I'll take it. Oh man, I'm in a t-shirt today because in Ontario, that is not what's happening at all. Fuck yeah. Double. Let's freaking try it. Oh! that had potential though. I was over it.
That is cool. Let's see. Let's see.
What do you think, crew? The V4 toying with it. With a noisy mesh too. Oh, I'm having a good time. Here comes Aldo coming off the double. I'm a little leery about this one. Hello. Oh! You're on your back. You hit it on the downside though. Who doesn't love this view? I know the sun's gonna muck you up a little bit, but let's try this. Yeah, these work really good, but yeah, I didn't realize blowing right off the tire, off the wheel. How's the other one?
For one, so obviously multiplied by 4. A lot of experts and practical real design for going to change the build, put bigger batteries.
Where I was standing is the best place to stand because you can
On
see
this side,
everything.
everything?
Yeah, on that far corner. But when there's two of us out there, it gets sketchy.
Yeah,
So,
well, so I'm trying to be super careful, and I'm not
yeah,
hitting.
I would stand up there till I get out there, and then
Okay.
I mean, we can take turns up there. But I used to stand on the real big one, but now I've made it so big and it's more pointy. There's nowhere to stand anymore.
I thought something was fishy, you know. Something just didn't feel right. I'll do one more of these. I'm gonna hit the big one right after. Aldo's fixing an arm. Uh-oh. Some don't look good. Looks like I'll be repairing too. Ah. What do we got? Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess should have lots left yet, right?
Everyone, Adam here from Cape Crawler. In today's episode, we're going to build an indoor crawler course. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I've got a fun video for you today. This is in response to a number of questions that I get about the indoor crawler course. So I got a lot of questions about this on Instagram prior to starting the YouTube channel. But since I've been doing the channel and more people are seeing the course and I do the tests on it.
All right, let's try the double from here. What about from here, Aldo? Oh, that might be the end of Philly B. Jesus, Murphy. Yeah. So, I don't know. To be honest, I'm really content with the outcome. I've got Energy hubs, Energy shock tower braces, which are not so great. They're waving at me a little bit. I do have M2C braces. Just the 3 of them. Cheapy servo, like I said, BLX 185. Aldo lent me the copperheads, which work really good. I'm actually really a fan. And I did lose my CVD in the back because my chassis, although slightly bent already when I got here, I don't know if you could see it, but it's kicked up pretty good. You can see the bulkhead peeling away. I mean, pulling away from the chassis a little bit. I got a little ProTech 30 mil fan, but honestly, the RPM RPM arms held up really well, and I'm really content. It's a fresh pack that I got nothing. I didn't get to do anything with. Make sure you check out Aldo's channel. He's got over 10K subs in just over a year's time. Really cool, big sends, all in this, mostly in this, his side yard. Freaking nuts. Thanks everybody. Consider subscribing. More bashing and how-tos coming up. Peace.